Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll explain the reproducibility functionality in visionCATS, which allows you to assess the consistency of your analysis within the same plate and across multiple tracks. The reproducibility function evaluates the variability of peak heights or peak areas assigned to a substance, providing a measure of the method's reproducibility. Start by selecting the image of interest. Check the labels, tracks, and the eluent front, and adjust them if necessary. Navigate to the image settings and activate the Spot Amp function. This allows you to enhance the contrast, making the bands more visible. After doing this, set the RF tip of the substance bands of interest. Proceed by opening a new evaluation tab using the plus button. In the definition step of the evaluation, click the Advanced Options button to display the reproducibility field. This option can be activated or deactivated independently for each substance. Before defining the substance table, ensure that the correct image is selected for evaluation. Begin adding the substances to the table. Once reproducibility is activated for a given substance, the usual parameters must be defined, including detection settings, expected RF, delta RF, RF tolerance, as well as the concentration of standards and samples. Next, go to the Integration tab, where you select the tracks on which you want to perform the evaluation. If there are any tracks that are not relevant for your analysis, set them to Hidden. Adjust the integration boundaries if needed. This step helps to focus on the interested integration area. Switch to the Substance Assignment step and assign the peaks to their corresponding substances. Alternatively, determine RF values semi-automatically. When reproducibility mode is enabled, integration and substance assignment are performed in the same way as for standard substances. However, if no calibration is performed, therefore, the calibration mode and range deviation fields are not displayed. In addition, no distinction is made between sample and reference tracks. In the Results tab, reproducibility data are displayed in a dedicated Reproducibility tab. For each substance, the coefficient of variation, CV, which is the primary metric for assessing reproducibility, is reported together with the mean peak height or area. Using the reproducibility function in visionCATS helps you quickly assess the consistency of your analysis, ensuring reliable and reproducible results every time. Thank you for watching this visionCATS tutorial video.